Hi, in this particular session, we are going to concentrate on area and circumference of a circle. Already we have seen a rectangle and we have seen square. The same way we have the area of a circle. Fine. So you can see the area of a circle is given by pi r square. You can see the radius here of the circle. So if we have given the radius, we can able to find the area by using pi r square. Pi is nothing but 3.147. Similarly, circumference nothing but this one. Okay, if we travel from here and come back to the same point, that is the circumference. So what is the circumference? 2 pi r. So that's the formula is given. Fine. Now we'll see the flow chart the same way. We'll input the radius. Okay, we'll input the radius, this radius we are going to input. Then we'll calculate the area, 3.14 into radius, that is the area. Okay, the circumference is given by 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi into radius, that is the circumference. After calculation, this is the processing part, and this is the printing the area and circumference. The input, radius, calculation, that is the processing, the area and circumference will calculate, then we will print. Okay, and these steps we have converted. So we are going to input the radius, then we'll calculate the area, then we'll calculate the perimeter, then we'll print the area and circumference. Okay, so with this what we are going to do is we are going to develop a program for area and circumference of the circle, for the circle. Fine. So let us go for the Jupyter notebook. Fine. So you can implement in IDLE also the same things. You can just copy paste this code in IDLE, it is going to work, no problem with that. So let us see here. So we need the input. Fine. We need radius. Fine. Radius is equal to, let us say 10. Okay, radius is 10. Then what we will do is we will calculate the area based upon this. Okay, so let us take area is equal to, so before that let me write here. See, there is no, I cannot able to declare constant. Let us keep like this, pi is equal to 3.147. See, so if you are coming from some other programming language, then it's not possible here to declare the constant, like how you used to declare const double something in Java or C. It's not possible. Just we will make sure pi is equal to 3.147. Then area is equal to pi, okay, capital Pi, pi r square. So you can say multiply by r, radius, okay, radius into radius. I can say radius into radius, r power I can say double star 2, that is radius square. Fine. R radius into radius you can mention. So this is the area we have calculated. Similarly, let us print this area. Okay, let us print this area. Print area. So we'll see everything okay or not. So let us print the area is equal to. Okay, so we are going to print the string area equal to as it is. Then we will print the value of area. Okay, let us run this one, and you can see 3147 is the area. So we'll calculate this. Similarly, we can able to calculate here the circumference. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into, so let me elaborate these things, okay, so that you can understand. Okay, so circumference is nothing but, circumference is given by 2 pi r. 2 into pi is, we'll write here pi into radius into radius, just radius. Okay, radius. Okay, so we'll print this circumference also. So I have here this print statement. I'll copy this, and instead of this area I will write here circumference. Okay, circumference is equal to, I'll copy the circumference so that I can paste here. Okay, let us run this and see. Now area is 3147 and circumference is 62.94. Fine. So we got this. But the thing here is radius is fixed. Each time we run the same thing. Now each time if I run, it should ask the different, we should able to enter the radius different. Okay. So let us keep this one. We'll say here int of, okay, int of input. We'll use input function. Input, enter the radius. Okay. Enter the value for radius. So this is as double quotes. Okay, enter the value for radius. Okay, fine. So let us run this one and check. Okay. Now when we run this one, now it's going to ask the radius. Let us say I will enter here 5. If I press enter, it will calculate. Now again if I run, again it is going to ask the radius. So I will say here now 10. Now if I say enter, so it's going to calculate the area and circumference. So this input method is to input the data, and we are going to convert that to a integer. Fine. So this is integer to convert string to integer. So this, whatever the input, let us say we are running, let us say we will give 5 here. This 5 will be in the form of string. 5, it will be in double quote. So that will be changed to integer. Fine. So let us run this one. Now I have to press enter here. Fine. Okay. Now this is what we have done here. Now there is another one is there here, that is area of a triangle. Okay, the same way how we have done rectangle, square and circle, the same way we have area of a triangle is given by half into base into height. We know this. Fine. Base, this is the base and this is the height, and the height we are going to take by 90 degree. Fine. This is the height. Now half into base into height. So what is the input for this? Base and height are the input, and area is given by half into base into height. This is the calculation part and this is the printing part. So we have input, output, processing. The same way we have the algorithm. Okay. So let us design a program for this area of triangle. Let us go for file Python 3. Okay. So let us we need what is the input? We need base and height. Okay. Base equal to, okay, we will take int of input, int of input, int of, okay, input, enter base. Okay, enter base, enter base. Now next is, we will say here, I'll copy paste this one here, and this will be next is height. Okay, height, HIGHT, height, enter height. Okay, height. Now next we will calculate the area. Area is given by, area is equal to half into, okay, half into base into, that is base into height. Okay, height. This is the formula. Now we'll print this area. Print area. Print area is equal to, okay, print area is equal to area. Fine. Let us run this one. Okay. See any error? No. Enter the base. We're going to enter the base. So let us take 10. Okay. Base is 10. Height is 5. Okay. Then we can say that area is 25. So again, if I run, okay, here. So let me click here. Run this one. Let us say 10. Base is 10. Height is 20. And again enter. Then we can say area equal to 100. So based upon this, it has been calculated. Okay. So we'll meet in the next session. Okay. Thank you.